don't stick together. Hi folks, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Flavors Kitchen Tips episode. Are you tired of storing your meat roll and your gyoza and they just stick together? Well, I have a solution for you. It's very easy. First of all, you're going to get a cooking sheet, line them with cling wrap or cut right, place them or line up your gyoza or your meat roll, and then place them in the freezer for 30 to an hour. Take them out and place them in a ziplock bag. And guys, watch this. Look at this. You can have 100 gyoza or meat roll. And by the way, I have recipe for this and I have recipe for meat roll. Alright? So, until next time, see you and have a great day.